Hello, and welcome to the Paybox tutorial series. In this video, we use the web interface to make a device payment using a prepaid code. First, type in the device ID found on the front of the Paybox device. Click Find Paybox. Select the time amount that you would like. Select your currency if it isn't already selected. Input your prepaid code provided to you by your landlord and click Pay. Thank you. Next, we will make a payment using the Paybox wallet. Again, make sure your landlord's device is selected from the drop-down list, or you input the device ID into the lookup device field. Select the amount of time you would like to use and hit Pay Now. The payment is processed and the Paybox timer will start. You can also add funds directly to your wallet by clicking Add Funds. Select your amount. Click which PayPal option you would like to use, credit card or PayPal checkout. Make your payment. And now you will have more funds to use Paybox timers. Next, we will start a landlord's Paybox timer by using a credit card. Again, make sure your device is selected from the drop-down list, or insert the device ID found on the front of the box. Select how much time you would like to use. Flip over to the credit card payment tab, put in your credit card number, your expiration date, your security code, and click Pay. Your payment has been processed and your Paybox device will turn on. Finally, we will begin a Paybox timer by using PayPal. Again, make sure your device is selected from the drop-down, or you enter the device ID into the lookup field. Select the amount of time you would like to use. Select the PayPal payment tab. Select your PayPal method. And once the checkout is complete, the Paybox device will start. This concludes our tutorial for the Paybox web client. Thank you for joining us.